In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your ClickUp account. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Alright, let's get started. First, it's important to note that deleting your ClickUp account is a straightforward process, but once it's done, you will lose access to all your tasks, spaces, and everything associated with your account. So make sure this is what you really want to do before we proceed. To kick things off, head over to the ClickUp homepage. You can do this by simply typing in your browser, app.clickup.com. Once you're on the homepage, just take a moment and make sure you're logged into your account. Now that you're logged in, look for your profile picture. It's usually located in the bottom left corner of the screen. Give that a click. If you can't find it there, simply check the upper right corner and you should spot it. Clicking on your profile picture will reveal a drop-down menu. In that drop-down menu, look for Settings. That's where we'll need to go next. Click on Settings, and it will take you to your account's Settings page. This is your control center, so to speak. Once you're in the Settings menu, I want you to look towards the side of the page. There you'll see several options, one of which will be related to your profile. We're headed for the Header Profile section, so go ahead and click on that. Within the profile settings, you should see an option that says Delete Account. Hit that button. This will initiate the process of account deletion. But wait! Don't just rush into it, because you'll be prompted to enter your password. This is a security measure to ensure that you are the one requesting the deletion of the account. So type in your password. Be careful as you do this. It's easy to make a mistake. If you come across any issues, triple check that you're entering it exactly as you created it, including any uppercase letters or numbers. After you've entered your password, there should be a button to confirm your action. It might say Confirm, Delete, or something similar. Click on that. Once you do, a final confirmation might pop up, asking whether you are sure you want to proceed with deleting your account. This is your last chance to back out if you've changed your mind, but if you're certain, go ahead and confirm. And that's really it. Once you complete these steps, your ClickUp account will be scheduled for deletion. Now, just a few notes before we wrap things up. Remember, all your data, including tasks and projects, will be permanently removed, and you won't be able to recover this information. Make sure that you've exported or saved anything important before hitting that delete button. If you decide later on that you want to come back to ClickUp, you'll need to create a new account from scratch. So really think this through. I hope you found this guide helpful and that it made the process of deleting your ClickUp account easy to understand. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. And, as always, if you found this video useful, consider subscribing and giving it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.